And the BAFTA goes to Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart.
Bam! Just a tie Logan. If you jump into photo mode in this game, you can zoom in to look at the individual fibers in Ratchet and Rivet's fur.
Incredible stuff, and over 79 accessibility options available to players as well. Amazing.
Okay. Wow. Thanks so much again. I'm here on behalf of the entire animation team for Rift Apart. They really knocked it out of the park. I've said for years that Insomniac has some of the best animators in the world, and I think that this really proves it. And once again, I'd like to thank everybody at Insomniac, everybody at SIE and PlayStation, as well as the PlayStation Studios Visual Arts. And I really can't say enough good about our friends, family, our spouses. Special thanks to my parents and wife. And last but not least, again, thanks to all the fans for supporting Ratchet and Clank for all of these years. Thank you so much.